Hey, Kimmy, how you doing? Okay, so we have your poster up here. I was looking for a PDF. There's no PDF um, attached here, so I'm going to have to kind of scroll back and forth here. I won't be able to zoom into, but we won't have a chance to take a look at the entire composition as a whole. So please forgive my scrolling. A couple of comments here. So I think this is an interesting concept, but the only thing I'm seeing here is it needs more. It needs more because this is an illustration class, right? So it stands to reason that the illustrations in this class should really, really be pushed to as far as you can. I mean, I really think employing further techniques. And don't get me wrong, the poster's cool. I love the idea. I just think we need to add more. I mean, I'm not real sure how to go or where to go from here, but we definitely need to add more visual elements showing your illustrative techniques. Okay, so try to think of what you can add here. I'm not real sure. Maybe you could add some palm trees down here or something alluding to beach, maybe some surfboards, bands, beach. Add some other visual elements here to bring it home, Cami. I think that's really, really going to be an interesting choice to make. Plus, it is an illustration class, so there's not much here by way of illustration. I mean, we've got two circles, a couple of shapes, and the brush strokes for the mustache, which is great, but I just think that we can push it further. Nice color palette, by the way. One thing you definitely want to do is clean up these areas right here. You see where this kind of crossbar here meets the lens? You can see that right there. You can see a little overlap there, there. You can also see it it doesn't quite come far enough over here where the nose piece comes into the round part of the glasses. So you really want to watch that. All right, so the type itself, I think, is really close to the edge of the page. I also think it might be a little too small. Watch my cursor. I'm saying something like this for the type. Okay, Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk presents. And then this, we can make an interesting thing here. Instead of spanning here and center aligning, we can activate some negative space by taking this and just creating a sort of a small typographic composition right down here. Also consider using a second typeface in here. It's always a interesting way to go, introducing a second typeface to any visual composition. So right now you've got a sans serif, so I would recommend introducing a serif down here for the address area. So again, those are my comments, and I think that I think we really need to push this a little bit further in terms of illustrational technique, as it were. Okay, but really, really great start. So if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'll be glad to clarify. Thank you very much.